Okay. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
So let us start the next class of the engineering mechanics. So what you studied in the last class? That is types of supports and types of loading. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What are the different types of supports?
Simple.
Yes.
Pro
Simple support, roller support, pinned or hinged support, and fixed, or it's also called as built-in. Okay, built-in support. Forever. First one is simple support we have seen in the last class. So simple support, one member is placed over the another member. Okay. So how many reactions will develop for this support? Only one. What is that one? Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
So that is vertical reaction will develop. Next, for second one is we have seen roller one. Correct. For this roller, so this is the indication. Okay, this is the symbolically representation of the rollers. Okay, you should show rollers. Next, how many reactions will develop for the rollers?
One.
Only one. What is that one? That is
Vertical.
vertical load. Okay, vertical reaction. Next, third one is that is pinned support. Okay, pinned is also called as
Hinged.
hinged. Okay, hinged. So this is how you have to show the hinged connection. Okay, hinged support. Okay, so what are the reactions will that will develop for the pinned connection? Pinned
Two.
support.
Two
Two. How many? There is two. What are those?
Vertical and horizontal.
One is horizontal and one more is vertical. Next, fourth one is fixed support or built-in support. Okay, this is how you have to show for the fixed support. How many reactions will develop for the fixed support?
Three reactions.
Three reactions. What are those? One is horizontal, one is vertical, and another one is moment. Okay, moment will develop at the fixed support. Okay, this is what you have learned in the last class, and also you have seen the types of loading. So first one is point load, is also called as concentrated load. Means the entire load is acting at the one point of the beam. Okay, only one point of the beam is called as concentrated load. Then in the uniformly distributed load, the load is uniformly distributed throughout the span or only considerable length also. So in this figure, the load is uniformly distributed throughout the span. Span means what? It is length. Okay, so throughout the length of the beam or considerable length, okay, or part of the length of the beam. Then the third one is uniformly varying load. So uniformly varying load, UVL. So UVL is one side is 0 and another side is maximum. This UVL is also called as triangular load also. Okay, the triangular load. Next, fourth one is general load. So it may be any kind of load, either point load or UDL or UVL, any kind of load. That is general load. Then how to convert that UDL into UVL? So how to convert equivalent load? Yes, can you tell me how to convert UDL into equivalent UVL? Huh?
Intensity of load into length of
concentrated load for the UDL. That is
intensity of load.
Intensity of load, that is W into span
length of
the
UDL.
UDL, length of the UDL. This will be gives in kilo Newton. Okay. So next UVL. So for this, what is the equivalent concentrated load? Equivalent concentrated load. Is it visible with full screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is also called as triangular loading. Triangular loading. Okay. So what is the area of the triangle? Half base into height. Okay. Height means what? Height is the intensity. Okay. This is the intensity. Height is intensity of the loading into what is the base? Base means from here to here. What is this one? Span. That is length of the UDL. Length of the UDL. This is how it is. So where this UDL, concentrated UDL is acting at the center of the
Center
of the UDL. Okay. And where this equivalent UVL will act? It is one third of span span from
hill.
from maximum or minimum point, from the maximum or minimum, from the maximum loading, maximum. This maximum is also called as toe or heel. It is heel. Okay, so when you consider this is the loading, okay, in this figure, this is the loading, this is minimum load, this is zero loading, this is maximum loading. So this is called as heel, this is called as toe. Okay, toe. So this equivalent load will act at this point. Okay, so its equivalent load will act at this point. And what is the distance? Okay, so this distance will be, this distance from this point to this point is, it is 1/3. This is 1/3, and from this point to this point it is 2/3. Okay. This is 2/3 of L. This is 1/3 of L. Okay, this is concentrated UDL. I will take it as capital W. Concentrated load is taken it as capital W, and UDL or VL is taken it as small w. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is one diagram is good. This one you have seen. Okay. See just what is given in the problem. So here he is asking uniformly varying load. Okay, uniformly varying load. If the intensity of load varies over a considerable length of the beam, then the load is called as UVL. Here it is how much it is? It is 0. Here it is how much? It is maximum, that is 6 kilonewton per meter. So I want to convert its equivalent load, equivalent point load, that is equal to 0.5. Why he has taken 0.5? That is half into intensity of UVL. UVL is how much? That is W. Okay, into span of the L, that is L. So that is 1/2 into what is the intensity? That is 6 into length of the UVL. कितना है? 12. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 6 are, so that is equal to 36. What is the unit? Kilonewton. Okay, so if you take a UVL or a UDL or UVL ka, what is the unit for this one? This is kilonewton per meter. Okay, per meter ko kitna weight hai? That is when you take the concentrated load, that is point load. What is the point load ka unit? That kilonewton. Okay, see this equivalent load acts at 1/3 distance from the point where the maximum load acts. Where the maximum load acts at I will take this is point A. I will take this is point B. A or B. कहाँ पर है maximum point? Maximum is loading is at B and minimum loading is at A. Okay, always this is what? This is the equivalent concentrated load. This load will act. So this will act at a distance 1/3 from the maximum. Okay, we can take this one. Okay, this is the point. So this one you can write. This is the distance. How much is this distance and how much is this distance? So this distance is, this is 1/3 1/3 into what is the span? Total कितना है? 12 है. So 12. So 3 means 3 4. This is 4 meter from the maximum loading, and from the minimum loading this is 2/3 of 12. 3 means 3 4s are 4 into 2 is 8 meter. Okay, so here it is from this point to this point it is 8 meter. From this point to this point it is 4 meter. Total कितना हो गया? 4 plus 8, that is 12 meter. Total is 12 meter. Okay, so this load is 36 kilonewton. Is it clear, everyone? ये प्रॉब्लम किस डाउट है क्या आपको?
Yes, sir.
डाउट है?
No, sir.
ये सभी को अंडरस्टूड हो गए? Have you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Is there any doubt to anybody? किसी को डाउट है क्या? Okay, so I will assume that you have understood. Okay, this one problem I want to take. Before taking this problem, I will take one more simple problem. Okay, all of you read on. Determine support. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Support
sir.
reactions at A and B. At A and B. All of you take down this figure. Okay, this is the figure. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So in the exam, it will be given like this. Determine the support reaction. Okay. So he will give beam. He will give the different types of loading. You have to determine support reactions. Okay. Can you tell me where are the supports? A is support. B is support.
B is support.
C and D, is it support?
No, sir.
So what is this C and D? This is the
Support.
point where the load is acting. Okay, C and D are the point where the load is acting. Okay, so you have to convert this support into reactions. So how to do this one? So same beam, I will redraw this one. Okay, same beam. Okay. I have taken same beam. So I will write its name. Okay, this is A, this is B. Okay. So next is there is a loading. So that is 20 kilonewton load is here, and there is another load here. It is okay. What is the load? It is 20 kilonewton, and here it is 50 kilonewton. Okay. So now in the A, which type of support it is?
Simple.
Is it simple?
Fixed.
Fixed, simple, or roller, or hinged?
Fixed the support.
Fixed support. Good. Any other answers? Hinged or fixed or simple? Okay.
Pinned.
Yes, we'll go to the figure. See, this is which type of support it is. So when it is given like this, okay, when there is a triangle, and there is a roller like this, okay, this is roller support. Okay, when there is a triangle and there is only hatching like this is what it is, hinged support. When there is a fix, so and there is a fix, so this is the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram for the fixed. Okay, now tell me what is the A diagram? A support, which one it is?
Pinned.
It is pinned. Okay, pinned.
Pinned support.
So pin is also called as,
Hinged.
it is also called as hinged. For the hinged, how many reactions are there?
Two.
For the hinged, how many reactions are there?
Two.
See here. how many reactions are there? There are two reactions. What are those? One is horizontal and one is vertical. Okay, see here. This is a pinned reaction. Pinned is having one is horizontal, one is vertical. And for the roller, it is how many? One. Okay. See. For the A, one is vertical reaction, one is vertical, and another one is horizontal. For the B, how many reactions are there? Which type of it is? It is roller support. This is having only one reaction. Okay, I will redraw that one. So this is which one? Hinged. It is not necessary to write. आपको understanding होने के लिए मैंने लिख रहे. This is roller. Okay, so I will take vertical reaction. It is VB. VB. I will take, this is which type support? It is A support. I will take vertical reaction is VA, and horizontal it is HA. Is it okay? If I take horizontal reaction HA at A point, vertical reaction A is VA, and the vertical reaction at B is VB. Okay, so what is the distance? This is point C point, this is D point. This is how much? It is 2 meter up to C point. From C to D, how much it is? It is 3 meter. From D to B, it is 2 meter. Okay. So to find, what I need to find? क्या find out करने का? I have to find out VA is equal to how much? VB is equal to how much? Next, HA is equal to how much? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to find out all these things? First, I will start. Okay. By applying, see, you have learned equilibrium conditions. What are the equilibrium conditions for the concurrent force system? Equilibrium. And what about this one? Is it concurrent force system or non-concurrent force system?
Non-concurrent.
Non-concurrent. Consider 20 kilonewton, 50 VA, VB, HA. All are not acting at one point. Okay, this is non-concurrent forces. So equilibrium
R is equal to alpha G.
Equilibrium of non-concurrent forces. Non-concurrent forces. Equilibrium of conditions of non-concurrent forces. So that is tell me, sigma fx is equal to 0 and sigma fy is equal to 0 and moment about a point is equal to 0. Correct? These are the equilibrium conditions for the non-concurrent forces. Okay. So first I will apply the horizontal force. Okay, sigma fx. So consider sigma fx is equal to 0. What is sigma fx is equal to 0? What is, क्या है मतलब क्या है sigma fx is equal to 0 मतलब क्या है?
Summation of algebra.
Yes, it is algebraic sum of all the forces along x direction is equal to 0. X direction or horizontal direction is equal to 0. Okay, in this beam, what are the forces which are moving in the horizontal direction? Yes, in this beam, what are the forces which are moving in the horizontal direction? Can you tell me?
HA.
Yes, good. So HA is moving in the horizontal. Is it positive HA or negative HA? Positive. It is moving in positive direction. Next, is there any other forces which are moving in the horizontal direction?
No.
That means HA is equal to 0 directly. You will get the HA is equal to 0. Okay, so you got the value of HA is equal to 0. Okay, next, second one. So what is the second condition? What is your having? Sigma fy. So sigma fy is equal to 0. What is sigma fy is equal to 0? Sum of all the forces which are moving in vertical direction is equal to 0. Correct, Aina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, what are the forces which are moving in the vertical direction? So iske liye I will assume one condition. So what is that condition? The forces which are moving in upward direction, that is positive. The forces which are moving in downward direction, that is नेगेटिव, करेक्ट है ना ये? So इधर क्या है? The forces which are moving in positive direction of x, it is positive. The forces which are moving in negative direction is called as negative, correct है ना?
Yes, sir.
Notations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am assuming first direction. Oh, whatever I have assumed, no. So the same condition, sign conventions I am following. See, now tell me which are going from the vertical direction. First, I will write which are the forces which are moving in upward direction. What are the forces which are moving in the upward direction?
VA and VB.
VA and VB. So VA is moving the upward direction, correct है ना? So plus VA. Next again plus VB, correct? V plus VA and plus VB. Next, that is again there is a 20 kilonewton acting downward direction. Okay, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 20 kilonewton. Again 50 kilonewton. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 50 kilonewton is equal to 0. Okay, it means VA plus VB is equal to how much it is? It is 70. 70. Only I will write 70. Okay, not necessary to write 70. Okay, so this is 70. So I will take this is equation number 1. It means there are two unknowns. I have only one equation. I cannot solve this one. Correct? In? So next step is I will move to the next point. What is the next unknown equilibrium conditions? I have taken sigma fx. I have considered sigma fy. What is remaining next? Next is sigma m is equal to 0. Okay, consider sigma m is equal to 0. It means where the moment is 0, you have to consider. So in the A, it is hinged, correct? So at this point, what are the unknown reactions? HA and BA are there. Horizontal and vertical are there. Moment is 0 here. This is point moment is equal to 0. And at the roller support, there is only vertical reactions. Moment about B is also equal to 0. Okay, you can apply moment is equal to 0 at A point or at B point, anyone. If it is a fixed support here, then you cannot apply. Okay, whenever simple support or a roller support or hinge support is there, at that support moment is always 0. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next I will apply moment at this point A. Moment about A is equal to 0. Okay, okay. Now at this A point, VA is passing through the A point. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No, because it is passing through the given point. HA is also passing through the given point. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No. Okay, again I will assume the sign convention. What is sign convention? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise is positive and anti-clockwise is negative. Okay, negative. Next, so HA and VA will not produce any moment. Next, 20 kilonewton. So at holding A, apply only 20 kilonewton. Then the beam will rotate in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So what is the moment? What is moment formula? Force into distance. Okay, force into the distance. So if it is clockwise, positive. If it is anti-clockwise, negative. So what is the force? Force kitna hai? 20 into 2. Into what is the distance? Distance is perpendicular distance from the point to the line of action of the force. Okay, A say C tak. It is 2 meter. Into 2. Is it clockwise? So that's why I have written clockwise. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next point is D. At a D point, what is the force? 50 kilonewton. This 50 kilonewton is what is the distance from the A to the D?
5
meter. Okay, don't consider only 3 meter. I want from the A point. Okay, I want from A to D. So is it producing clockwise moment or anti-clockwise moment? Clockwise. So it is plus clockwise. Force is how much? It is 50 kilonewton into what is the distance from A to D? Okay, it is 2 plus 3. That is equal to 5 meter. 5 meter. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next force. Next force is VB. VB is moving upward direction. Is it producing clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement? Anti-clockwise movement. It means negative. Okay. What is the force? Force kitna hai? Force is VB. Next, what is the distance of VB from the A?
7.
7
Seven.
meter. Okay. So minus VB into distance from A to B. 2
7.
plus 3. 5 plus 2
7.
is 7. 7. Is there any other forces? Over. That is equal to 0.
0.
Okay. Next, in this equation, the unknown is only VB. Okay. So baki you can calculate. So that is equal to, I will transfer this VB into 7 to the right hand side. I will write it. 7 times of VB is equal to 20 into 2, that is equal to 40, plus 5 into 50, that is equal to 250. That is equal to VB is equal to 290 divided by 7. Okay. So can you tell me what is the value of VB?
41.42.
41.42 kilonewton. Okay. So this is the answer for the value of VB. Is it clear, everyone? सभी को आंसर आ रहा है correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
next VB आपको मिला है. So next is what you have to find out? We have to find out a VA value. So how to find out the VA value? Okay, substitute this VB in which equation? In equation number
1.
there is equation, no? Equation number 1. In substitute VB in equation 1. Okay, substitute. What is VA is as it is. Okay, plus VB value is 41.42 is equal to 70 kilonewton. 70. So calculate VA.
28.58.
28.58 kilonewton. Is it correct answer? Is this answer correct? Yes, others?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay, it is correct. So this is the value of VA you have found. Okay. So next, what you have to write? You have to write the answers. See. Whatever HA, whatever VA and VB you got.
minus 28 आ रहा है.
क्या बोले?
minus 28.58.
See 70 here है. 70 minus 41 करने का है ना? You have done 41.42 minus 70 किया. इसके लिए minus आ रहा है आपको आंसर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, VA and VB, you got positive answers or negative answers?
Positive.
Positive. You are getting positive means you assumed direction is correct. Okay. How you have assumed? VAs and VB are upward. You have assumed so that you have got correct answer. Okay. So you have got positive answers. That's why you assumed the direction is correct. So you can write HA is equal to how much? It is 0. VA is equal to how much? 28.58 kilonewton. Next, VB is equal to how much? It is 41.42 kilonewton. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. किसी को doubt है
Yes.
क्या ये problem में? Yes. Now take down. All of you take down. After completing, you have to tell me, so that I will go to the next.
Sir, over.
Yes, others.
Sir, no.
Okay, okay. Right. Why attendance is very less today? Only 49 members are present. Yes, is there any doubt to anybody? किसको doubt है क्या? How we have solved this problem?
सर
हाँ, tell me.
वी एक आंसर माइनस में आएगा ना?
क्या बोली?
No.
वी एक आंसर
No, sir.
BA
यस
मेरे को
No,
समझ
sir.
में नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हो?
41.42
shift
करने
करें.
के बाद फिर प्लस में आता है.
Sorry, और क्या बोले? Yes, anyone? क्या बोल रहे हैं आपने? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
वी एक आंसर
Minus येणार कशा
माइनस कहाँ पर? कहाँ पर?
मायनस येणार का असं म्हणते VA.
हाँ हाँ, VA माइनस ये तो क्या करने का? हाँ,
No, sir. वो
Plus
कह रहा
येणार.
है कह रही है कि माइनस आ रहा है VA.
VA माइनस आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
कैसे
No.
माइनस आ रहे हैं? सी VB कितना है इधर? VB कितना है? इट इज 41.42 है.
41.42.
इधर VB फाइंड सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का प्लस है ना आंसर. सो प्लस VB इज इक्वल टू 41.42. सो इधर प्लस है, इधर आ जाने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज माइनस आ जाता है ना. 70 माइनस 41.42. सो यू विल गेट 28.58.
पर हमें
हाँ, क्या बोले? क्या किया है?
41 बड़ा अंक है ना, तो फिर
हाँ हाँ हाँ
41
हाँ, कैसे? देखो, VA करेक्ट है. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 क्या है? VA. ओके, प्लस प्लस VB का आंसर कितना है? 41.42 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. दिस इज इक्वल टू 70. ओके, इनकेस VA माइनस है तो ये ट्रांसफर कर देते, 70 इधर ट्रांसफर कर देते. बट मुझे क्या चाहिए? VA वैल्यू चाहिए. सो VA पॉजिटिव है, सो VA इधर ही रखने का. ओके, ये 41.42 छोटा वाला है. सो दिस विल ट्रांसफर टू द अदर साइड. सो 70 माइनस 41.42 करने का पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा आंसर.
Yes.
तो 41 minus 41.42 minus 70 किया तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. 40
Yes,
क्योंकि समझ में आ रहा है ना, दैट इज रॉन्ग. VA इधर पॉजिटिव है, ये 41 में से माइनस 70 किया तो माइनस आता है आंसर. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मैथमेटिक्स, VA इधर रखने का, दिस 41 उधर उससे ट्रांसफर करने का. Okay, you will get answer minus positive. In case if you get answer negative, it means your assumed direction is wrong. Okay, you have to reverse the direction. Okay, समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. Yes, any other doubt? किसी को doubt है क्या? Is it understood everyone? Is it understood? Yes, I want responses.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only one or two. Others?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Wrong 10, 20, 30, 40.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? Okay, so what we have done? Yeah, we have removed the supports. We have removed supports and we have applied the reactions. कौन सा सपोर्ट है और उसको कितना रिएक्शंस रहते हैं वो हमको समझ में रहने का. Okay, that many reactions we have applied at A and B, and as per the equilibrium of conditions. As per the equilibrium conditions, we know that sigma fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0, and m is equal to 0. Consider one by one equilibrium equations, and we will found the answers for all the support reactions HA, VE, and VB. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
हाँ.
फिक्स्ड सपोर्ट में मूवमेंट रिएक्शन कैसे दिखाना?
Yes. Wait for the fixed support. वो आने तक थोड़ा वेट करिए. Okay. Just now we will think about simple support, roller support, and hinge support only. Fixed support आने के बाद मैंने बोलते हैं आपको. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
हाँ. Okay. Okay. This one we have solved. We will solve this problem. Okay. Find the support reaction at the A and B. Okay, at A and B. How to find out the support reaction at A and B? So now you have solved one problem. The load was purely concentrated load or UDL or UVL. Which type of load was there? Previous problem में कौन सा load था? Which load was there?
Point load.
Solar and
Point load था. कौन सा
Point load. Okay, this is 20 kilonewton. 50 kilonewton was point load. Okay, so now in this problem, what is there in? So which type of load it is?
UDL.
It is UDL. It is point load. Okay, we should solve this one. Okay, so first you have to draw this figure. Given figure you have to draw. Okay, so which type of support it is? Which type of support it is?
pinned.
It is pinned. Okay, pinned is also called as
Hinged.
Hinged.
hinged. Hinged. Okay, so which type of support it is?
Roller.
Roller. Okay, so I will redraw the same figure. Okay, so this is how will be this figure. Next, this is subjected to UDL. Okay, one is UDL and another one is point load. So this is point load. I will write here, and this is how much it is UDL. I will convert this UDL into the equivalent concentrated load. Okay, equivalent concentrated load. So first you have to find out equivalent concentrated load. Equivalent concentrated point load, concentrated load. Okay, concentrated load. So how to convert equivalent concentrated load for the UDL? It is, tell me, it is intensity of UDL, intensity of UDL into its length. It means UDL length into UDL length into UDL length. UDL length. Okay. So what is the intensity of the UDL? How much it is? It is 20 kilonewton per meter. It is 20 kilonewton per meter into what is the length of the UDL? Length of UDL कितना है? A to C इतना है. That is 4 meter. 4 meter. This meter get cancelled. you will get 20 to 4. It is 80 kilonewton.
80 kilonewton.
It is 80 kilonewton. So this 80 kilonewton will act at this point, 80 kilonewton. Okay, so what is the at what distance? At what distance from the A? So this is A point. Okay, from A to C, kitna distance hai idhar?
4.
It is total A to C is 4 meter, but this concentrated equivalent load will act at a center of the UDL. So total UDL is 4 meter. So A to this point, how much it is?
2.
2 meter. Okay.
2 meter.
Next remaining distance. A kitna rehta? This is 2 meter. So next remaining distance. So that will be same. So from this point to this point, it is 2 meter. Again, from this point to this point is 2 meter. From this point to this point, it is 4 meter. From this point to this point it is 2 meter. Okay, the rest is same. It is 2 meter, 2 meter. This is 4 meter. This is 2 meter. So this is 80 kilonewton. This is 10 kilonewton. Okay, this is a point B. Okay, this point B is ruler. So for the ruler, how many reactions are there? For the ruler, how many reactions?
One
One
reaction.
Only one reaction. Okay, this is the reaction. Next, for the A support, A is which type of support it is? Hinged support. How many reactions are there?
2.
One is okay. It is one is vertical upward and one is horizontal.
Horizontal.
Okay, so you can give the naming for this one. So this is HA and this is VA. This is VB. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, write
Yes,
down this
sir.
one. Next, how to solve, I will tell you. First, draw the given diagram. Next, write equivalent concentrated load first. First, write equivalent concentrated load up to this much. Afterwards, draw this diagram. I will draw the diagram neatly once again. You can write equivalent concentrated load of what is the equivalent concentrated load of UDL कितना UDL 20 kilonewton per meter उसका concentrated load find out करने कर रहे हैं. Roll number 32, Vivek, have you written? Kale,
Yes, sir.
हो गया सभी का?
No, sir.
Predicted first. Yes. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fast. Okay, I will redraw the same diagram. Okay. Yes, you have to tell me first. So it is given. So initially there was a UDL. UDL कितना था? That is 4 meter. Okay, this is 4 meter था. Okay, this is a point. It was hinged. Okay, this is A. This is C था ना? This point is roller. This is roller. Okay, this is B point. This
B
is
point.
C point. Again there is a
D point.
D point. Okay. So this D point, this point, there is a point load. This is D point. Okay. This is how much it is? Distance कितना
4
है?
meter.
4 meter.
4 meter. This is 2 meter.
2 meter.
Okay. This is how much it is? 20 kilonewton per meter. And how much it is? This point 10 kilonewton. Okay. So this was the. So first you have concentrated equivalent concentrated load find करने का. Equivalent concentrated load. Okay, so that is equal to UDL into length. UDL length. Okay, so UDL कितना है? 20 into 4, that is equal to 80 kilonewton. Okay, so the same figure I will redraw like this. Okay, so the same thing only I will redraw. This is the same figure only. Next, so from this point to this point it is 2 meter. Again from this point to this point it is 2 meter. Then again from this point to this point it is 4 meter and remaining is 2 meter. Okay, so how many reactions are there? Okay, it hinge support. How many reactions?
Two.
One is vertical and another one is horizontal. And again, where is the support? It B. Let B. B is vertical. Okay.
Roller support.
This is a vertical support. Okay, I will write its name. So this is what? Horizontal HA. This is vertical VA and this is vertical VB. Okay, so there is a vertically downward load. So how much it is? Okay, there is a vertical downward load and again there is a one load. There is at this point. Correct, Aina?
Yes, sir.
So this is how much? Concentrated load, 80 kilonewton. 80 kilonewton. Okay, from this point it is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 4 meter. Remaining is this is 2 meter. 2 meter. This is 10 kilonewton. Is it clear up to this point? Sabhi log?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so given point this is
Yes,
A.
sir. Yes.
This is C, hai na? Okay. So this is C point. This is C point. This is D point. This is B point. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will take this point is E point. I will take this point is E point. So first, what is to be found? Okay. So solution is started from this point to find out. What I need to find out? To find support reaction. What are the support reactions? Tell me.
VA. HA.
VA and
V.
VB. Okay. So how to solve this one? So sigma. Okay. Apply. Which conditions? Apply equilibrium conditions. Equilibrium conditions. Equilibrium conditions. Okay. So first one. What is the first equilibrium condition? Sigma Fx is equal to 0. Sigma Fx is equal to. So in this big beam diagram, is there any force? What are the forces which are moving in horizontal direction? Only HA. Okay. Is there any other forces? No. It means HA is equal to 0. aa gaya. Next, what is second equilibrium equations? What is second equilibrium?
Sigma
Fy is equal to 0. What are the forces which are moving upward direction? VA
VA
plus
and VB.
and VB. Okay, VA and VB, which are moving in upward direction. That's why I have taken positive. Next, this is equal to downward direction. Okay, what are the downward direction?
80.
80 is moving downward direction.
10.
80 is moving downward direction. Again, 10 is moving downward
10
direction. 10 is
downward.
moving downward direction. Is equal to down. Rule number 13, Rishikesh, please mute yourself. Roll number 13, Rishikesh. Mute yourself. Okay. So now you have to calculate VA plus VB. Okay. What is the VA plus VB? So VA plus VB is equal to, it is 90. Okay. So take it as equation number 1. Okay. Next, what is the third equilibrium equations?
Movement is equals to 0.
Yes, moment. Where you will consider moment, you can consider moment about A or you can consider moment about B, anywhere. Okay, I will consider moment about summation of moment about A is equal to 0. Okay, so at A point, VA is moving through the A and HA is also moving through the A. Whether VA is producing any moment?
No.
No, because force is passing through the given point. This HA is moving through the A point?
Yes.
No,
Yes,
that
sir.
is also not producing because that is also passing through the given
Given
A
point.
Okay, next, this 80 kilonewton force, is it moving in the downward direction or upward direction?
Downward.
Downward. Whether the beam will rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
Clockwise direction. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. Okay, so that is plus 80 is force. What is the distance from A to E?
2 meters.
2 meter. Next, plus. Okay, plus. Again, this 10 kilonewton. This 10 kilonewton is rotating the beam in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So plus I have written. What is the force? 10 kilonewton. What is the distance from A to B?
8 meters.
8 meter. That is equal to 8 meter. Then, is there any other force? Yes, VB. VB is moving upward direction. Is it rotating in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So that is minus VB is equal into what is the distance from A to B?
10 meters.
10 meter. So 10 is equal to 0. I will transfer this 10 VB to the other side. 10 times of VB is equal to 80 into 2, 160 plus 80 into 10, it is 80. Okay, so that is equal to 240. So I want VB. VB is equal to, is it 24 kilonewton?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
VB is equal to
sir.
20 kilonewton. Okay, so this is 24 kilonewton. Then you got VHA is equal to 0. So how to find out a VA? Now, how to find out VA?
Put in equation 1.
Yes, substitute equation 1. Okay. So substitute VB in equation number 1. In equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 में क्या है? Okay. So that is VA plus VB is 24 plus 24 is equal to 90. Okay, I want VA value. So VA keep it as it is equal to 90 minus 24. So that is equal to 66.
66.
Yes, VA is equal to 66 kilonewton. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the support reaction. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
HA, VA, and VB. Yes, take it down. Copy करिए. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, I'll take down attendance. Roll number 4. Six. 15, 16. Eighteen, 19. 20. 35. 61. 64. Absent numbers 4, 6, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 61, 64. Okay. 4, 6, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 61, 64 are absent numbers.
Sir, 4 is present.
4 is present. Okay. Okay, fine. Have you written? So this is how you have to convert UDL into equivalent point load. Just take down the screenshot and write it. I will stop now. Please take down the screenshot. Have you taken? Can I stop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you all.